Let's get into it. 1971 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. From 4 feet away, she's flawless. I'm a little sick, guys, so bear with me. But she has the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter Olds V8. What they call a stump puller. Oldsmobile's engines are known for their torque. When you floor it, they put you back in the seat, you feeling the torque, you don't feel horsepower. She has a few minor blemishes and imperfections, but she's in overall great shape. As y'all can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid is in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. Interior is in great condition. She has power windows, power locks. Seats show minor wear. Convertible top functions as it should. She reads a little over 62,000. Lower dash. Upper dash in excellent condition. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the Oldsmobile 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8, power brakes, AC, power steering. Let's start her up. She running smooth, guys. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Y'all have a good one.